Welcome everyone. My name is Olivia Tatara, aka OAT, and right here we're going to do a segment for Gungwa Jeche Gung Fu and also the weightless gym. So who is this for? This is for everyone, whether you're a child, an adult, or an elderly person. Everyone who is living has the ability to experience this. So Gungwa Jeche Gung Fu involves different types of internal movement, self-defense, energy, art, acupressure, and many different things to not only enhance your physical, but also your spiritual, your mental, your emotional, and open the heart, open up your life to see the miracles in every day. So today we are going to do an aura cleanse in life. And this aura cleanse is to understand beyond a religion, but understanding the body. Understanding that you're a physical body, you're an energetic being, you're a soul, you're a spiritual being. There are many souls within. So a big understanding of coming back to yourself is to understand you are the creator of your own destiny. So these movements are meant for everyone, healers, practitioners. If you're a martial artist, we welcome everyone, and every practice can enhance. As you enhance yourself, different things in life shift. Money, relationships, love, self-love, and health. We're not doctors or psychiatrists, but these movements can enhance you. So in this one, we're going to do an aura cleanse because you have a morphic field, you have an auric field, you have a heart, you have a brain, you have a chi energy in the whole body, and you also have the outside world. So within this, you're going to go through the movements with the hands and the feet and aligning every part of you, because in the world and the influences in the world, co-workers, family, siblings, loved ones, spouses, friends, people you just meet along the road. You have to understand energy. You have the power to clear yourself. Just begin. Just watch me and follow in the movements. I'm not going to be doing much talking because this is going to be a flow in energy. As you watch me, it flows, clears the space, no matter right now or in the future. As you do it for you, you clear your energy and you clear your space. So let's begin again. It has already begun. So we're just going to get in tune with the space around, the field around me, allowing the spine.